Yo, this is Dre D. Bienvenue dans ce nouvel épisode du Rewind Hip Hop Classics. Et cet épisode est consacré exclusivement aux Fallen Soldiers du hip hop, à tous ceux qui nous ont quittés trop tôt, mais qui ont marqué de leur empreinte cette musique, cette culture. Alors on va leur rendre hommage. Yo, allow me to reintroduce the great to go Zig L, French rapper Lionel D, Overweight Lover, MC Heavy D, Pimp C, ODB, MCA, Jam Master J. Can't forget about Five Dog Drop Request. My nigga MC Breeze representing the West. The new flavor in your ear, Craig Mack. We love the brother from Heart Attack. Sean Price, charisma, Scott the Rock. The female lifestyle from the fast. Et yo, on n'oublie pas les Frenchies. DJ Midi, de la main Franquin Free. Kikita, de Diabolical Bismarcky. Coolio, DJ Screw and ID. Yo, et la liste est encore longue, hein. Paix à tout cela. Les Fallen Soldiers du hip-hop. Parti trop tôt, mais on n'oublie pas. Et on va commencer cet épisode avec Eazy-E featuring Bone Thugs and Harmony, Just to let you know. Et après on va poursuivre avec Guru, illustre MC du duo Gangstar, avec leur titre Discipline. Yo, yeah. Allez, place à la musique, c'est parti, yo. Rewind Hip Hop Classics. Yeah. My nigga Eazy-E. Say what? My nigga Eazy-E.
It's that man coming up from the land of the CPT.
What's my motherfucking name?
Coming through with the big lick for 94. Showing all y'all them true ass gangsta flows. So bow down, bow wow, the big dogs in town. And them guts is the only thing a nigga pound. Laid back as I blow a fat sack. Hitting switches for them bitches, bending corners in a Cadillac. So take a ride on the roofless side with the E to the A-Z-Y. That nigga making more off your hits than you do. You fools need to recognize this truth when I roll through. Trying to speak up on the OG, nigga, you don't know me. Raise up off these nuts, little wannabe. Cause I peel caps if need be. And ain't nothing you gon' bring, gon' see me.
So
just to let you know.
One more time for the rhyme again. Coming from the C-O-M-E-T-O-N.
Just to let you know, just to let you know, yo.
One more time for the rhyme again. Coming from the
C-O-M-P-T-O-N, Compton. From the
It's the E
CPT.
coming up from the gang. So nigga, let me ride all the way to the bank. Cause ain't nothing on my mind but them chips. Gotta have a grip when a nigga dip. Back to the past on them Compton streets, where the niggas get beat when us gangsters meet. And fools getting mad cause they can't ride like I ride. Front and back, dipping side to side. And it's been like that since I was a BG. It's a E, that's what they scream when they see me. Mama said it be days like this. Fools screaming that I put them in a twist. Thought you had it bad, is it really all good? If the homies only knew in the hood that you was getting done like a $2 hoe. It's just a little something from the E to let you know.
One more time for the rhyme again. Coming from the C-O-M-E-T-O-N. Just to let you know. Just to let you know. One more time for the rhyme again. Coming from the C-O-M-E-T-O-N. Just to let you know. Just to let you know.
It's still the CPT, nothing more, nothing less. On a quest to put that bomb in my chest. Cause them buster ass niggas can't see what I'm saying. They think the E be playing, but I ain't giving up nothing but this clock in your mouth. So recognize that or get your punk ass knocked out. So if you wanna ride, nigga, jump on in, sip a cup of gin. Ain't no friends when it come to ends, so no hard feelings when you niggas be dealing with the original Compton criminal. Cause the only thing poppin' is the snaps. And ain't no fun when a nigga be tapped perhaps. But the nigga like the E ain't trippin' though. I'm just here to let you niggas know.
One more time for the rhyme again. Coming from the C-O-M-E-T-O-N. Just to let you know. Just to let you know. One more time for the rhyme again. Coming from the C-O-M-E-T-O-N. Just to let you know. Just to let you know.
Yo, 1. Micro-test, 1, 2. Rewind hip-hop classics. Rewind hip-hop classics. Dre, Zidi. Rewind hip-hop classics. Rewind, 1. Écoute ça, yo. 1. Rewind hip-hop classics. Yo, écoute, ça fait 1. Yo, écoute ça.
Just because I want to, it don't mean I will. And just because I'm angry, it don't mean I'd kill. And just because she looks good, it don't mean I'd hit it. And just because I'm horny, it don't mean I'm with it. Just because I make records, don't mean that I'm gassed. And just because I'm rapping, don't mean I chase ass. Just because I'm wildin', don't mean I can't stop. I got discipline, baby, and I use it a lot. People, it's something that you should be considering. Things could turn bitter when you don't use discipline. You might wake up the next day upset and in fear, bugging out, yapping about how the fuck did I get here? Who the hell is this stranger staring all in my face? Now you're wishing you had to position yourself in that place. Think just in case you should have took more precaution. A good time can become a nightmare so often. Like this nigga I know that met these chicks on tour. They rocked him to sleep, robbed his ass for cash galore, skated off in the night without a trace or a hint. Scheming, tantalizing him, dressed up in lace and shit. Caught that kid out there, all high and dumbfounded. Made him think he was getting some pussy, he just knew he was gonna pound it. Situations like this will make you think twice. That's why instead of preaching death in my songs, I breathe life.
Baby, won't you take the time? Let me know what's on your mind. Just because I'm yours don't make it right. Baby, won't you take the time? Let me know what's on your mind. Slow down, baby, now let's make it right.
Tycoon thug, he made a $10,000 investment. Now he's not to be messed with. Makes the girls get undressed quick. He's on some big
Repose
muscle
en
chest.
paix, Gourou.
By the exit, that's my man, he's the owner. Yeah, he be on some next shit. Said we make a few million by the next millennium. Told me to keep dropping jewels like a trigger man, putting lead in them. Like Flavor said, I tell these souls to kill the noise. You know your pops told you, watch them New York boys all night. The ladies be like up in my mug, tranquilized in a trance, dancing up in my drug. Fly honeys. They hold me down like always. The same cat that used to get blunted down in the hallways. I love the cutie pies, never the duty pies. I got discipline, I want the crew to rise. Situations like this, so make you think twice. Instead of preaching death in my songs, I breathe life.
Baby, won't you take the time? Let me know what's on your mind. Just because I'm yours don't make it right. Baby, won't you take the time? Let me know what's on your mind. Slow down, baby, now let's make it right.
Ladies, here's something that you should be considering. Things could get bitter when you don't use discipline. Imagining yourself living lavish and plush, hanging with the cat who be spending cabbage and buying stuff. However, don't be too clever with your endeavor, and don't let too many men receive your treasure. Most cats be thinking with their Bozak. I admit in the past I was trying to break these hoes' backs and skate without giving up a dime. You know them fly ladies had a good fucking time. Copping me some Timberland with a jacket and matching. Girls nowadays want a pigeon for chicken scratch, and I ain't giving up Nathan. Long as my game expands, it's my discipline to hating. Situations like this will make you think twice. That's why instead of preaching death in my songs, I breathe life. And just because I want to, it don't mean I will. And just because I'm angry, it don't mean I kill. And just because she looks good, it don't mean I'd hit it. And just because I'm horny, it don't mean I'm with it. Just because I make records, don't mean that I'm gassed. And just because I'm rapping, don't mean I chase ass. And just because I'm wildin', don't mean I can't stop. I got discipline, baby, whether you do or not.
Hey, baby, won't you take the time? Let me know what's on your mind. Just because I'm yours don't make it right. Just because I'm yours. Baby, won't you take the time? Let me know what's on your mind. Slow down, baby, now let's make it.
Yo 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 yo, Rewind Hip Hop Classics, là on est de retour. Alors le prochain groupe qu'on va s'écouter là, il y a un membre plus particulièrement qui nous a quittés en 2019. Et ce mec, c'est vraiment... Mais alors c'est rien de dire que c'était un sacré personnage. En fait il représentait pour Houston, Texas, mais il est originaire de Jamaïque et il a grandi à Brooklyn. À Bushwick plus précisément. Et son blaze, c'est Bill. Et en fait, ce mec, il a été recruté par un DJ Reggie Red, des Ghetto Boys, qui a par la suite quitté le groupe en 91, tu vois. Et il était le hype man et le danseur de la première mouture du groupe, des Ghetto Boys. On parle évidemment de Bushwick Bill, le légendaire Bushwick Bill. Et le morceau qu'on va se mettre là, ça va être Man Playing Tricks on Me, qui figurait sur leur 3e album, mais en vérité le 2e album, avec Scarface et Willie D dans le line-up. Voilà, parce que le premier line-up en fait c'était pas pareil, et il a duré que le temps du premier album en fait. Et sur la couverture de cet album, pour ceux qui connaissent pas, pour les neujeux là, la couverture de l'album We Can't Be Stopped, en fait c'est un délire. Parce que cette couverture, quand tu regardes, c'est quoi ? Tu vois les Ghetto Boys qui sont dans les couloirs d'un hôpital, et t'as Bushwick Bill, il est là, en mode il est esquinté, il a un patch sur l'œil et tout. Et t'as Willie D et Scarface qui poussent les brancards. Et en fait le délire c'est que c'est une histoire personnelle. Ce qui s'est passé c'est que pendant une dispute avec sa meuf, eh ben Bushwick Bill, d'ailleurs dispute où était impliqué une arme à feu, tu vois. Et en fait ce qui s'est passé c'est que la meuf de Bushwick Bill, eh ben elle avait l'arme à feu, tu vois, elle avait l'arme à feu avec elle, et ils se disputent violemment, ça monte dans les tours, franchement c'est une dispute de ouf. Et ce qui se passe c'est qu'à un moment, volontairement ou pas, je sais pas, mais il y a un coup qui est parti. Et le coup de feu il est parti dans son œil, tu vois. Et donc en fait il paraîtrait que Bushwick Bill il a provoqué, et que il a provoqué pour qu'elle tire, tu vois. En mode il a chauffé, ben vas-y, t'as que de la gueule, tu vois. Je sais pas c'est quoi le délire, on sait pas exactement, on saura pas, mais en tout cas c'est ce qui s'est passé. Et donc le délire c'est que il est parti à l'hôpital, les membres des Ghetto Boys, les managers, tout le monde a été mis au courant par rapport à l'embrouille, etc. Comme quoi il fallait le prendre en charge, il fallait l'emmener à l'hosto et tout. Donc il l'a emmené dans le camion de l'ambulance, et au final, le manager il a décidé de prendre une taufe. Par rapport à ça, il a dit putain ce sera mortel pour la couverture, pour la pochette de l'album. Et vas-y venez on prend une taufe. Donc il a pris une taufe, et au final ça a terminé sur la pochette de l'album, tu vois le délire. Il s'est dit il est pas mort, c'est bon, on peut prendre une photo wesh. Et donc c'est ça le délire. Et là on va se passer tout de suite les Ghetto Boys, Man Playing Tricks on You. Yo, gros classique sur Everyone. Pour tous ceux qui connaissent pas là, t'es fou quoi. Écoute ça, J.
At night I can't sleep, I toss and turn, candlesticks in the dark, visions of bodies being burned. Four walls just staring at a nigga. I'm paranoid, sleeping with my finger on the trigger. My mother's always stressing I ain't living right, but I ain't going out without a fight. See, every time my eyes close, I start sweating and blood starts coming out my nose. It's somebody watching the act, but I don't know who it is, so I'm watching my back. I can see him when I'm deep in the covers. When I awake, I don't see the motherfucker. He owns a black hat like I own, a black suit and a cane like my own. Some might say take a chill, B, but fuck that shit. There's a nigga trying to kill me. I'm popping in the clip when the wind blows. Every 20 seconds got me peeping out my window, investigating the joint for traps, checking my telephone for taps. I'm staring at the woman on the corner.
Yeah, it's fucked up when your mind's playing tricks on you. Yeah, Rewind Hip Hop Classics, Drizzy motherfucking D. Yo. Bra.
I make big money, I drive big cars, everybody know me. It's like I'm a movie star, but late at night, something ain't right. I feel I'm being tailed by the same sucker's headlights. Is it that fool that I ran off the block? Or is it that nigga last week that I shot? Or is it the one I beat for $5,000? Thought he had cane, but it was gold, met a flower. Reached under my seat, grabbed my papa for the suckers. Ain't no use to me lying, I was scared than a motherfucker. Put the left in the Popeyes and bail down quick. If it's going down, let's get this shit over with. Here they come, just like I figured. I got my hand on the motherfucking trigger. When I saw him, make your ass start giggling. 3 blind, crippling, crazy senior citizens. I live by the swamp. I take my boys everywhere I go because I'm paranoid. I keep looking over my shoulder and peeping around corners. My mind is playing tricks on me. Day by day it's more impossible to cope. I feel like I'm the one that's doing dope. Can't keep a steady hand because I'm nervous. Every Sunday morning I'm in service, praying for forgiveness and trying to find an exit out the business. I know the Lord is looking at me, but yet and still it's hard for me to feel happy. I often drift when I drive, having fatal thoughts of suicide. bang and get it over with. And then I'm worry free, but that's bullshit. I got a little boy to look after, and if I die, then my child will be a bastard. I had a woman down with me, but to me it seemed like she was down to get me. She helped me out in this shit, but to me she was just another bitch. Now she's back with her mother. Now I'm realizing that I love her. Now I'm feeling lonely. My mind is playing tricks on me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, Bushwick Bill.
This year Halloween fell on a weekend. Me and Ghetto Boys are trick-or-treating, robbing little kids for bags, till an old man got behind our ass. So we speeded up the pace, took a look back, and he was right before our face. He be in for a squabble, no doubt, so I swung and hit the nigga in his mouth. He was going down, we figured, but this wasn't no ordinary nigga. He stood about 6 or 7 feet. Now that's the nigga I be seeing in my sleep. So we triple teamed on him, dropping them motherfucking bees on him. The more I swung, the more blood flew. Then he disappeared, and my boys disappeared too. Then I felt just like a fiend. It wasn't even close to Halloween. It was dark as fuck on the streets. My hands were all bloody from punching on the concrete. Goddamn, homie. My mind is playing tricks on me.
Yo 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 yo. Alors le titre qui arrive là, c'est un duo rappeur DJ. Et le premier, eh ben il n'a plus besoin d'être présenté. C'est un MC émérite et légendaire de Mobb Deep, Queensbridge represent. Et il était déjà largement établi dans le rap. Et il comptait avec son sauce, le producteur Avoc, des albums devenus parmi les plus cultes de l'histoire du rap. Et le second, alors lui il vient plutôt de la banlieue chic de Beverly Hills, West Coast. Mais il s'identifie beaucoup plus au récit ghetto, entendu dans des morceaux hardcore de Peura, surtout new-yorkais, tu vois. Et d'ailleurs, dans un premier temps, il a fait équipe avec le désormais acteur Scott Caan, fils de l'acteur James Caan, Sonny Corleone dans Le Parrain. Et leur groupe, c'était les Hooligans. Et à l'époque, c'était des petits de la tête. Je sais pas, ils devaient avoir 14, 15 fiches, tu vois, c'était tout petit. Et là, il s'agit d'Alchemist. Et lui d'ailleurs, par contre, il a fini par se consacrer exclusivement au rap, tu vois. Et il s'est fait ensuite repérer par DJ Muggs de Cypress Hill, qui le prend sous son aile. Et d'ailleurs, c'est par son entremise qu'il rencontre Mobb Deep et qu'il travaille avec eux, tu vois, jusqu'à faire des albums entiers avec Prodigy. Et le sonore d'ailleurs qui arrive dans ta face là, eh ben ça va être Keep It Thorough, qui figurait sur l'album Highest Nigga in Charge, paru en l'an 2000. Yo, vas-y, c'est Tipar, Rewind Hip Hop Classics.
Hey, yo, I break bread, ribs, $100 bills, peel on the cotties, another 4 wheels, write a book full of medicine and generate mills. Tour the album, only for more sales. We used to catch those on the block with krills. Now it's paid shows, promoters post up bills. Sign deals only if the math is real. If we can't match numbers, then you can't have the head nigga in charge of shit. Live nigga rhymes artists, pardon. P-Dub shines regardless, remorseless. Haunt niggas like poltergeist. My advice for a get like that is think twice before you move on it. Put jewels on it, who want it? Loose niggas make the news when we start forming. Snatch stripes off of niggas' uniforms often. Doing it bad shit though, if you way out the jurisdiction. Why niggas bullshit on the grill? I don't fuck around, Dunny. It's most real, I keep it thorough, nigga. Yo, let me back up for him, let me back up, yo. Why niggas bullshit on the grill? I don't fuck around, Dunny, it's most real. I gave birth to your whole style and feel. How do it feel to hold my dick in public? Cock blower, duplicate rap cloner. Let's me and you do it live on stage for Dolo. I smack niggas like you, smash niggas by the tools, grab niggas by the throat, show 'em prove. Rhymes cocky, crazy ill, mad rowdy. Did a buck off of my shit and rapped your Audi. Temperamental, I snap quick, very touchy. And yo, my attitude is all fucked up and real shitty. I rap like no one out there can fuck with me. You feel different, niggas see me. I throw a TV at you crazy. Bitches say P, you crazy. A pain in the ass, nah, but fuck you, pay me. I'm no shorty, nigga, I stop your glory. I'm a third street nigga for real. You just applaud me, avoid P, man. Take your baby mom's advice. I'm nothing sweet, ill with the guns. You pay the price when you see me in the street, soldier. Salute me, you just a groupie. Oh, you gangster, you shoot me. Who gives a fuck, really? I miss my nigga Twin, kill me, so I could join the rest of my foes up in the heavens. You rap niggas make me laugh, y'all crazy ass, and I don't give a fuck what you sold. That shit is trash, bang this, cause I guarantee that you bought it. Heavy airplay all day with no chorus. I keep it thorough, nigga.
Yo, rest in peace,
Yo, the truth hurt when proof hurt. Move the whole earth beneath your feet just like loose dirt. So F your politics if you swallow. Feel the hollow tips rip through your collar disc. Learn your knowledge and burn your colleges. I touch your grill with the skill of a dermatologist. Your turn to follow this. Acknowledge this head cracker, hoe smacker, whack rapper, attacker, internet hacker, no slacker, best factor, Midwest bracket. Yeah, you know about it. It's us on your jacket. DJ head scratch it like a hatchet. Who can match it? Make you go like Gadget. Perform magic without a wine. I drop bombs without Saddam. A vet without Nam. I make sense without common ground. I'm still down, y'all, with my first crew. You got a fly style. I down that just like curfew. Yo, I'm worth two ears in the mind full of attention. Plus, I'm CEO of the Whack MC Prevention. Listen to a real gift over ill riffs. Cause you with a mic, me and Slim ain't trying to hear like Will Smith. Your career's not over with. Come here to Cobra spit. We heat this up, y'all, before the supernova hit. I know the truth, so now we're bearing all. I made R. Kelly confess he stole his first style from Aaron Hall. A Whack MC with a gun, I'm not one. And when you see Kurt Cobain, tell him bring back my shotgun. I got one style for all y'all, bazooka. Hey yo, if I was Tupac, I'd come back from Cuba. Rhyme and maneuver when I push on the tutors. Trying to get down with the bust like Lugers. Me and my man Slim Shady, we pin Grady. Take out 80 MCs, you know us. What?
Rest in peace. Yo, alors là on va enchaîner avec le titre Say It de Jay Dilla, Rest in Peace. Et c'est un morceau en fait qui était dans son album J Love Japan, qui était d'abord sorti au Japon en 2006, puis ensuite en 2007 au States. Et en fait il a connu une sortie digne de ce nom en 2016 seulement, en CD et en vinyle, mais aujourd'hui il est introuvable. Et en fait, le délire par rapport à cet album, c'est qu'il a d'abord beaucoup circulé en copie promotionnelle et en bootleg avant sa sortie officielle. Et il aurait été terminé d'enregistrer, il paraît, en février 2006. Tu vois, un peu avant sa mort. Et le truc, c'est qu'il avait d'abord été prévu comme un album instrumental en fait, c'est tout, avec juste 2 titres qui comportaient des rappeurs dessus. Et d'ailleurs, les 2 versions, 2007 puis 2016, la réédition, elles sont très différentes, tu vois, il y a l'ordre des chansons qui change, il y a des chansons qui en remplacent d'autres, il y a beaucoup plus de featuring, il y en a 5 contre 2 initialement, donc c'est un délire, tu vois. Mais nous on va se porter là sur Say It, et puis ensuite on va enchaîner avec un autre Fallen Soldier du hip-hop, DMX, de son vrai nom, Earl Simons, dont les démons intérieurs ont eu raison de lui et il nous a quittés à l'âge de 50 ans en 2021. Et le mort ça va être Shut Down, qui était sorti dans son album qu'on pouvait entendre en 2003 dans Grand Champ, featuring 50 Cent et Styles P. Allez, on continue dans cette spéciale Rest in Peace sur les Fallen Soldiers du hip-hop. Yo!
I don't know if they really want to hear this shit. Come on. Alright. Welcome to the sacred. Dilla okay, kid. Shit tight like a size smaller than your waist fit. Winter in America when this nigga blows. Step into it, get your face spitted. It gets cold.
What?
But it's all beauty in the belly in summer when colors let brothers spoon it in they jelly, they love us. Cooking up them sauces from the sauce that's above us. Butter in between the bread so I don't bust on the covers. Leg pumping in the spread, I'm on the cusp of some other. Let it rain off the brain, it's kinda tough with them rubbers. Call cousin like, what up with it? Cut with the colors. Back on the clock, I'm running motherfuckers and numbers. Yeah. It's the rock with a capital R. It's the rock with a capital R. You'll see all these rappers with a capital R.
Panland, brand and new.
What you gon' do? Come on, say
Say it, lay it out for him. Not a day go by without the foursome and the whoredom. Record something to it, beef it up and make it sound stupid. Future looking bleak on some more better blue shit. That's what niggas with no cheese or dues get. Spit it on your cellular phone. I left a message for you, cut it out, you're selling them clones. Niggas is outside bugging out, you're jailed in your home. Hell the dopeness, the focus is back. Watch your life sail hopeless off of sofas and snacks. Two surfers, being nervous is closer than that. Pulled off in the abyss, you're being chose for the crack. For that performance, y'all Martin Lawrence.
Say it. Yo. Rewind Hip Hop Classics, on est là. In the house. Rewind Hip Hop Classics dans la maison, yo. This is Dre G. Oh, Mike. G.
Holla, back at it, at your own discretion. Niggas bustin' hard hats for their own protection. Closed contestant stands, game over, you a lame soda. We bubbling, man. To the top, till it pop in the plan. Leave your glass to a shoot, I put the pain in the sham. From the D to the city with bikinis and sand. But Dilla Dog put me up on all of y'all in Japan. Dilla Dog, love Japan. Rock-a-law, love Japan. OXO, yes in Japan. Out in Japan.
Yo. Who let the dogs out? Yo. Who let the dogs out? G. Rest in peace. DMX. G.
I'll be that youngin' with that gun that's telling you stop frontin'. I'll be that youngin' on the run after I pop something. In the Bible I read, death is of the tongue. And if you talk about death, enough death is gon' come. Jay taught me how to flow, they shot him in the head. Randy ass was there, now he running scared. Some say I'm gangster, some say I'm crazy. If you ask me, I say I'm what the hood made me. Knock a stunt to my ass dead broke like JD. Or put 100 grand on a nigga head to play me. See, I'm cool with them Haitian mob niggas. To say stop, I say Mabule and rob niggas. The media be trying to make a nigga look bad. What's up with that? See my flick next to Pray Pappy and Cat in Montana. I kill him with the grandma. I enhanced in a slammer after banging them hammers. X, what up? If you don't live that, you shouldn't say that, cause what come out your mouth will get you shot. Throwing money around and we don't play that. Getting out of line will get you shot. Nigga, you hang, we know where you stay at. That bullshit you want, I'll get you shot. There's a few clicks that you shouldn't play with. You need rough riders, I'll get you shot.
Hey yo, fuck that niggas talking about, think you playing with Double R, G-Unit, the same old shit. Put the faggots in the ring, watch them all quit. All ya niggas is pussy, suck my dick. Ain't nothing but a handful of man still standing. I remember 50 in a cypher when Honest was slamming. Now we meet again, it's all good, my nigga. Back to the street again, it's all hood, my nigga. Knock on wood, my nigga, we both walked the dog. We ain't get to where we at by luck, shit was hard. But once we got through the trial, it's all smiles. Still a bitch type nigga, all of a sudden get wild. Now why you got to go and take me back to where I came from? I'ma make you remember where you know my name from. 45th Street and blah blah Ave. I done ran through your crew and only let off half, nigga.
If you don't live that, you shouldn't say that, cause what come out your mouth will get you shot. Throwing money around and we don't play that. Getting out of line will get you shot. Nigga, you hang, we know where you stay at. That bullshit you want, I'll get you shot. There's a few clicks that you shouldn't play with. You need rough riders, I'll get you shot.
If your head ain't off of your shoulders, you ain't get shot, you got nipped, nigga. Just nipped. Cause if my chrome hit a piece of your bone, it's gonna do more than chip, nigga. Yeah, what the fuck is the problem? The Porsche's red, the buckets is almond. 30 shot handguns, the gutter is starving. Niggas like me might rush your apartment. Blood stains will fuck up your carpet. Brain on the window, I smell murder every time that the wind blow. Time to the chair, then knock out his chin bone. I don't want the throne or the crown, I ain't sell enough. You can't have the jail or the ground, you ain't in hell enough. I'm the one that flood the gutters, better tap your man and let him know P and love the colors. And niggas is getting shot down. 2 guns up, double R, SP holding D block down.
You don't live that, you shouldn't say that. Cause what come out your mouth will get you shot down. Money around and we don't play that. Getting out of line, I'll get you shot down. You hang, we know where you stay at. That bullshit you want, I'll get you shot down. There's a few clicks that you shouldn't play with. You need rough riders, I'll get you shot down.
G, c'est what? Yeah.
Achievement awards. You know what I'm saying? Not me. You know, I want when they see me, they know that every day when I'm breathing, it's for us to go farther. You know, every time I speak, I want the truth to come out. You know what I'm saying? Every time I speak, I want to shiver. You know, I don't want them to be like, they know what I'm going to say because it's polite. They know what I'm going to say. And even if I get in trouble, you know what I'm saying? Ain't that what we're supposed to do? I'm not saying I'm going to rule the world or I'm going to change the world, but I guarantee that I will spark the brain that will change the world. And that's our job, is to spark somebody else watching us. We might not be the ones, but let's not be selfish, and because we're not going to change the world, let's not talk about how we should change it. I don't know how to change it, but I know if I keep talking about how dirty it is out here, somebody going to clean it up.
Et s'il y a bien une évidence qui ressort dans l'extrait que vous venez d'écouter, c'est qu'il y a des esprits comme ça dans la vie qui marquent leur domaine, qui laissent une trace durable et qui influencent des générations et des générations de fans et aussi de rappeurs au fil des époques. Et Tupac, il en fait clairement partie. Et alors ces mecs-là, bien qu'ils soient associés à tout jamais à la West Coast, eh ben c'est un mec qui est d'abord né à New York. Il est né à New York, puis ensuite sa daronne, il l'a suivi, tu vois, il était jeune. Il a déménagé à Baltimore en 86, puis à Oakland en 88. Et puis à partir de là, il a rencontré Richie Rich, avant même Digital Underground. Et en fait, Tupac, eh ben, c'était d'abord et avant tout un rappeur militant, de par sa famille, son père et sa mère qui étaient membres des Black Panthers dans les années 60 et 70, son beau-père également. Et ses premiers raps d'abord, ils étaient engagés et militants d'ailleurs. Tu vois, ils étaient pas du tout gangsta. Ils étaient d'abord engagés, justement à cause de son bagage culturel et social, tu vois. Et ses premiers pas dans le rap, eh ben, il les fait avec un groupe qui s'appelait Strictly Dope. Et il officiait sous le nom de MC New York. Donc tu vois déjà l'affiliation avec New York, tu vois pas. Et de là, eh ben, il rencontre Digital Underground. Et il devient leur roadie. C'est-à-dire, voilà, il ramène des accessoires sur scène, il danse aussi dans les concerts, et tu le vois dans des vidéos où il danse avec eux dans les concerts et tout. Et c'était ça d'abord. Puis après, il a signé, et puis ensuite, il a sorti ses albums. Voilà, d'abord le premier, Tupacalypse Now, qui était un gros classique de ouf. Il y a Strictly For My Niggas, le second, et son troisième, Me Against the World, qui nous intéresse aujourd'hui. Parce que le titre qui arrive là justement, eh ben, il est extrait de cet album qui est sorti en 95, tu vois, Heavy in the Game, featuring Richie Rich justement que j'ai mentionné plus haut. Et d'ailleurs, soit dit en passant, c'est un truc de ouf parce que cet album, il faut savoir, hein, il est responsable d'un fait inédit, c'est qu'en fait c'est le premier album qui s'est classé numéro 1 au Billboard pendant que son auteur était en prison. Ça, c'est jamais arrivé, ça, tu vois. Donc c'est ça le délire. Ça veut dire au final, ça a pas empêché Tupac d'avoir une grosse carrière, même s'il était en 11, tu vois, ou pas le délire. Yo, vas-y, on va s'envoyer ça tout de suite, là. Heavy in the Game. Tupac featuring Richie Rich. Yo, Rewind, c'est parti.
The game I know something you can ramp with. Me's a player, you know. I don't play no game. Me just make money, dollars, every time. See it?
Yo, my nigga Pac.
I explain how this game laced. Plus with this fame, I got enemies do anything to break me. My attitude changed, got to the point where I was driven. 24/7 money's my mission, just a nigga trying to make a living. These buster tricks don't want no mail. They spending their riches on scandalous bitches, plus they petrified in jail. It's hell, plus all the dealers want a meal ticket. Jealous ass bitches, player hating, but we still kick it. Always keep my eyes on the prize, watch the police. See so much murder, neighborhoods getting no sleep. But still, I get my money on major, continuously communicating through my pager. Niggas know me, don't have no homies cause they jealous. I hustle solo, cause when I'm broke, I got no time for the fellas. Listen, ain't nothing poppin' by no broke nigga, ain't no joke. Fuck what they saying, get your dough, nigga, heavy in the game.
Oh, the bomb, because them a come try to take mine. Oh, me serious enough. I don't blood clap play no game.
Yo.
Oh, the bomb, because you take this thing for you, take this thing for sure. That's right.
It's been good to me. Rewind. Yo, Dre,
niggas wanna stick to the game, use a trick to the game. Waiting upon your turn, son, what will you learn? Ain't no terms given, niggas be twisting and taking shit, putting they sack down, then putting they Mac down. Me, myself, I hustle with finesse, yes, I'm an Oakland baller. Rule number one, check game, and for sure you gon' respect game. Be your own nigga, meaning buy your own dope, cause that front shit is punk shit, something I never funked with. Be true to this game, and this game will be true to you, that's real shit. Disrespect, see what this here do to you, that jacking and robbing, despising your homie ain't healthy. Niggas be ending up dead for to get wealthy, but not me though. I'm sowing something major, so what I reap is false. That's why my public status is false. Went from a young nigga living residential to a young nigga working presidential.
Always look good, you vex, show him look good every time. Oh, pussy war, step off. I know so when a blood clot playing a fucking games. Oh, we take me we won. I don't care what you never know. Oh, but I forget we won every time.
I'm just a young black male. Cursed since my birth, had to turn to crack sales. If worse come to worse, headed for them back jails. Or maybe it's urge, my only way to stack mail is out here doing dirt, man, my decisions do or die. Been hustling since junior high, no time for asking why. Getting high, getting mine. Put away my 9, cause these times call for 4-5 sales. Cause life is hell and everybody dies. What about these niggas I despise? Them loud talking cowards shooting guns in the crowd, jeopardizing lives. Shooting right between them niggas' eyes. It's time to realize, follow the rules or follow them fools that die. Everybody's trying to make the news. Niggas confused, quit trying to be an OG and pay your dues. If you choose to apply yourself, go with the grain and come the riches and the bitches and the fame. Heavy in the game.
You jealous true, we look good every time when we wear beard diamond and Tupac drive pretty car and PM friend them look good. You know, this for all your corner and go mass on the face. How it's sexy in a bumper ass clad. Oh, flash it. Enough of them want come test me, you know, through them see we drive pretty car. Go on up party and thing and you want come drown the gun. But you see we know, you have to show them maximum respect when a blood clot ramp with a pussy walk. And we look good every time. Enough dollars. You know about the dollars them, right? But we not talk no shit, we have to walk the walk we attack. See it? Cause action speak louder than words. You know the record, don't blood clot here. Oh.
Yo, B.I.G.G.I.E, a.k.a. B.I.G. Get It Biggie. Yo, et là justement on va se passer un titre, alors c'est pas du tout Biggie, en fait c'est Junior Mafia featuring Notorious Big. Et le titre c'est Players Anthem, c'est un titre marquant dans la carrière de Biggie, et dans la carrière des deux d'ailleurs. Mais c'est un titre qui est sorti un an après le premier album de Biggie, Ready to Die, qui lui est sorti en 94. Et donc il sort dans l'album de Junior Mafia, leur premier album. Mais c'est un titre qui s'est tellement approprié, on pourrait presque croire qu'il fait partie de sa discographie, mais on va pas aller jusqu'à l'attribuer. En tout cas c'est parti. Yo!
Grab your dick if you love hip hop.
Say what?
Rub your titties if you love big pop. Gotcha. Open off the words I say because.
Check it out. Now, who smoke more blunts than a little bit? What are you, an idiot? Listen to the lyrics I spit like M1s. Got mad guns up in the cabin. Cause these ain't the one for the dipping and dabbing shit. I make it happen. You got your ass caught or your soul was fire. From the Honda Passport or the MP. What if you see? Then I miss you. I blow up spots like little sisters. Go on, grit your teeth. Go on, bite your nails. Took the cuticles like Murray. My killers be the most beautiful. Junior Mafia click thick like Luke dancers. Niggas grab your gats. Bitches take a glance at the look to one. Pulling over in the Land Rover. Playing Big Willie style with the chauffeur. You know what I mean? Stack the green, read all between the lines. A nigga act up, makes the bastard hard to find.
Zoom, zoom, gougou, zoom, gouzin. Ha! Les enfants originales, yo! My niggas take big sense. Niggas.
Grab your dicks if you love hip hop.
Say what?
Rub your titties if you love big pop. Gotcha. Open up
my niggas big sense.
I'm surrounded by criminals, heavy rollers, even the shiesty individuals. Smoking skunk and mad fillies, beating down Billy badasses, cracks and stacks and masses. If robbery's the class, bet I pass it. Shit get drastic, I'm burying your bastards. Big Papa never softening. Take it to the church, rob the preacher for the offering. Leave the fucker coughing up blood in his pockets like rabbit ears. Covet the wife, Kleenex for the kids' tears. Versace wear, Moschino on my bitches. She whipping my ride, counting my ones, thinking I'm richest. Just the way players play, all day, every day. I don't know what else to say. I've been robbing niggas since running them was singing Here We Go. Snatching ropes at the Roxy, homeboy. You didn't know my flow, detrimental to your health. Usually roll for self, I have son riding shotgun. My mind's my 9, my pen's my Mac 10. My target, all you whack niggas who started rapping. Junior Mafia, Stilo, niggas know the half. Caviar for breakfast, champagne, bubble baths. Running up in pretty bitches constantly. The Smalls, bitch, who the fuck it was supposed to be? Niggas, grab your dicks if you love hip-hop. Bitches, rub your titties if you love Big Papa. Gotcha, open up the road, that's it because. Niggas, grab your dicks if you love hip-hop. Bitches, rub your titties if you love Big Papa. Gotcha, open up the road, that's it because.
I used to pack Macs and Cadillacs, now I pimp gats in the axe. Watch my niggas backs, nines in the stores, Glocks in the bags. Max and Mini Marcus getting money with the A-Raps, no question, confession. Yes, it's the lyrical, bitches squeeze your tits. Niggas grab your genitals, proteins and minerals, exclude subliminals. Big Mama shoots the game to all you willies and criminals. I kick the wheelie with my peeps all day. 325s roll by with the windows down halfway. DKNY, oh my, I'm jiggy. It's all about the Smalls and my fucking nigga Biggie. Bitches love the way I bust the rhyme, cause they all in line, screaming one more time. Grab your dicks if you love hip-hop. Bitches rubber dub in the back of the club, straight up.
Yeah! Yo, for writers, teachers. Yo, rest in peace, DJ Five Shahid. What is life? What is God? What is life? We want the pop classics, yo! Crazy D on the mic.
Just like knowledge is infinite, I'm God and I'm living it, giving it all that I got. Shots lit and big lighters flip. I spike a pole, spike my mic with these flows. Am I nice? I suppose. Heaven knows I'm on some other shit. Sisters at shows call me bombastic. I feel I'm down blasted. Stand upon it, girl, I'm telling you. For truly strong like the goddess in me. She wants my agony and nobody. See, I educate you through the teacher in me. There ain't no reefer in me. Let's wig up more, make the end the nigga. I touch the mic and universally greet. Rise and nurse with peace. And you know how I'm like that. Do this for black stranded in projects. Cashing welfare checks. We got to do what we got to. My people flip for the slang I spit. Shots ring, I trip. Rip this plastic. I got to stay refined. Body and mind. Poor righteous teachers, word is life. Stay refined. Body and mind. Poor righteous teachers, word is life. Word is born. Word is life. And word is life. My word is life. Word is born. Word is born. Word is life. Word is life. Word is life. My word is life. Word is born. Word is born. Word is life. Word is life. Word is life. My word is life.
Yeah. Say what?
Sipper, Bacala tonic, strictly Zion root. Ginseng and juice. Chew sticks, I chew. Rewatch lectures by Shake and to D.I. Vlog non-stop. Dr. Ben gets props. Hip-hop, punk out, all blocks, pawn lock. PRT crew drops. Life in your head top. 1037, 1/3 miles per hour. I put your planet in continuous revolution. Penetrate, traumas from a lake. Create rain, snow, sleep, hell, and earthquakes. Drill place under the surface of the spot that you stand. See, God is a man, and you can't deny that. I set it off, let it off, it pops. Fuck track, backdrops for fat rats. I rock knowledge. Me going deaf, kiss the sky like meth. Rise above earthly matters, make the truth undress. I saw the moon turn to blood, watch the sun go black. Sisters crying, come back, cause now the whole world lacks. Science recognize the infinite size. Poor righteous teachers, word is life. Word is born, word is life. And word is life, my word is life. Word is born, word is born, word is life. Word is life, word is life, my word is life. Right, word is born, word is born, word is ain't flesh. Poor righteous teachers rashes in a triple stage of blackness. I spat the spit, fat the chick gave birth to black gods on earth. Cause I be cream of the planet G. You notice me freaking shit like Jodeci. Who the fuck you supposed to be? See, free and wise. Lord have his mercy if my word ever fell. I accept the death I saw through my words being false. Splendid way of life, knowledge and wisdom complete. Understand it, overstand it on this Superman beat. When righteous teachers sat back, saw what it was that y'all lacked. Go to design the attack. We got with Clark for the tracks. Said it, off it's on true. Word is born. I got my cellular phone, cause the wisdom's calling. Keep them refined, body and mind. They'll forever love wise. Word is life. 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 My word is life. True. Word is life. 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 My word is life. Right. Word is life. 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 My word is life. Yeah.
Vous venez d'écouter les Poor Righteous Teachers avec leur titre Word is Life qui était sur leur album New World Order, sorti en 9/6, Rewind Hip Hop Classics. Yo 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 yo. Alors ça y est, maintenant vous êtes habitués, vous finissez par savoir. On arrive à ce moment où on me dit dans l'oreillette de rendre l'antenne. Et oui, parce qu'il est déjà l'heure de rendre l'antenne. Alors en tout cas, j'espère que vous avez kiffé ce nouvel épisode du Rewind Hip Hop Classics consacré aux Fallen Soldiers du hip hop, à tous les soldats partis trop tôt, à tous ceux qui sont tombés au combat. Voilà, j'espère que vous avez kiffé parce que c'était vraiment important de rendre hommage comme ça à tous ceux qui nous ont quittés. Alors évidemment, vous avez pu constater que la playlist n'était évidemment pas, malheureusement pas exhaustive. Voilà, il y en a plein d'autres encore qu'on a perdu. Mais en tout cas, gros big up à tous ceux qui continuent de porter la flamme, qui continuent de porter haut les couleurs du hip-hop et qui sont là, qui représentent le vrai hip-hop. Donc c'est important de leur faire une grosse dédicace à tout cela. En tout cas, j'espère que vous avez kiffé cet épisode. Moi, je vous dis à dans 15 jours. This is Dre ZD, Rewind Hip Hop Classics. Paix sur vous et je m'arrache de là.